Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video is I am gonna unbox the seeds. This is all seeds from pine tree. Pine tree seeds for our garden this spring. You know, it's taniman time na. It's time to plant, you know. So, all in this box are seeds. So, we are gonna open it. Michael and I are gonna open the box. Okay, let's go. Oh, give me that. It's a seeds. It's not a phone, it's a seeds. Wow. 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 Seeds. Wow. That's a tray. For the plant. This is for the plant.
So cute.
Yeah, so cute. Oh, give it to mommy. And then next is the seeds. Oh, look.
Oh, look.
What's that?
That.
Open it. Oh, it's over here. Look. For the garden. There's more in here. What's that? Open. Over here. Oh, wow. Oh, look. For gardening again. That's sharp enough. Oh, give it to mommy. Thank you. And then, oh, here are the seeds. Look, Michael. Look, Michael, seeds. Wow. All the seeds for planting. Bush. There's a bush bean provider. Zinnia. Zinnia. Oh, my Dianthus.
Wow.
Oh, this one, Michael, for you.
One.
Oh, this one for Michael. Bush bean. Musay. Masay pala. Oh, raw. Magic herb. Ang dami namang bush bean. Malva. Did I order that? Monarda. Herbs. Beet. Dianthus, Michael. Sweet William. Sweet pepper purple beauty. Celosia. I think Ted did that. Order that. Dahlia. That's mine. My flower. Dahlia Unwinds Dwarf. Wow, that's mine. Dahlia Show Mixture. That's mine. Another Dahlia Double Extreme. That's mine. Dusty Miller. Yeah, that's mine. Next. Onion. Onion, Michael. Herbs Golden Margaret. Next. Sweet snow pea. Sweet pea. Snow pea. Next. Tomato plum. Next. Fiesta. Sweet pepper. Lilac bell. Next, sweet pepper chocolate beauty.
Chocolate.
Chocolate beauty. Next, beet ruby queen. Beet ruby queen daw. Next, carrot scent Valerie. Next, carrot tender sweet. Next, cucumber homemade pickles. Cucumber. Wow. Next, snappy cascadia snap. Yeah, that's right. Oh, what is this? Aphids. Aphid and white fly traps.
Butterfly in my sky.
That's aphid and white flies, Michael.
Butterfly.
That's not butterfly, it's
Butterfly.
bug. Next, there's more, Michael. Look. Zinnia peppermint stick. Next, Zinnia Persian carpet. All done. It's empty. Empty. Oh, put it back in the box. Everything over there. Put it back in the box. That's right. More. Put it back inside the box.
Yeah.
There's more.
More.
This one.
Yeah.
This one paper. That's right. I'll close it. Thank you, Michael. Good job. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.